FX Nation, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. And in this particular video, we're going to be talking about a topic that is near and dear to many day traders, whether it be forex, stock traders, futures, options, whatever. And essentially that's demo accounts. Now, if you're a day trader, chances are you've tried out a demo account before. So it's nothing new to most day traders. I think everybody starts out on a demo account, but maybe you've had some success with a demo account, but have you ever wondered why so many day traders or just traders, retail traders in general, struggle to replicate the success on a live account? Have you ever wondered that, or have you gone through that yourself? So you're doing great on a demo account, you're profitable on a demo account, but as soon as you switch over to a live account, it just seems like everything is going wrong, and you can't replicate what you're doing on a demo account on a live account. Well, that's what we're going to go ahead and talk about in today's video. So first of all, let's define what a demo account is and why day traders use them. So obviously we know as retail traders, a demo account is a type of trading account that allows you to trade any financial instruments such as stocks, futures, forex, without actually putting any money at risk. So demo accounts are often used by beginner traders to practice their trading skills and their strategies, and just test out different platforms as well to see how they work and whether or not that platform specifically works best for them. Now, they're also used by more experienced traders to also try out new trading strategies and test out new ideas that they may want to incorporate into their existing strategy. Now, the reason why many day traders are successful on demo accounts is because they're not risking any real money. So there's no real pain. So this means that they can take bigger risk and try out more aggressive trading strategies without worrying about losing their hard-earned cash. This can lead to some impressive gains, obviously, on a demo account, which can give day traders a false sense of confidence. But here's the thing. Trading with real money is a completely different ballgame. When you're trading with real money, you have to be much more careful and disciplined. You can't afford to take unnecessary risk, and you have to be much more conservative with your trades. This can be a big adjustment for day traders who are used to the freedom of trading on a demo account. So I think this right here is a big one, because when you really think about it, when most retail traders trade on a demo account, think about when you were trading on a demo account, how much did you actually pay attention to how you traded, what lot size you used, whether you cared or not, whether you lost or won a trade, you know? So most retail traders, when they start out on a demo account, they don't feel that pain, you know? And so that just allows them to be very lax about everything. Now, another reason why many day traders struggle on live accounts is because the psychological effects of trading with real money. And this right here is a huge, huge problem that I see with many, many, many day traders. Okay. Doesn't matter whether it's stocks, forex, futures, options, any of that. It affects them all the same way. The psychological effects of trading with real money is completely different, because now you have something on the line. When you're trading with real money, you're much more likely to experience emotions like fear and greed. Now, these emotions can cloud your judgment and cause you to make impulsive, emotional decisions. This right here, the impulsive and emotional decisions, this is exactly why I preach to all of our members or students from mentoring to make sure that you make your trading plan very black and white. So it takes away the impulsive and emotional decisions. Now, this can be a big problem, obviously, for day traders who need to remain calm and rational in order to make good trading decisions. Now, there is the issue of market conditions. Demo accounts are often set up with ideal market conditions, such as low volatility and tight spreads. This can make it easy for day traders to make money on a demo account. But in a real world, market conditions are rarely so favorable. This is something that you have to understand as well, guys, is the fact that when you're trading on a demo account, is not connected to the live market. Okay, so obviously the spreads are going to be super low on most of the pairs. And so the demo money that you make out of this is going to be very much higher to what you actually do or can do on a real account. Now, on a real account, you obviously have to deal with things like high volatility, wide spreads, unpredictable news events, which can make it much harder to make money on a live account. So think about this. All the brokers that you use, whatever broker you use, on a live account, you're obviously going to have bigger spreads on a live account than a demo account. Okay? You're going to have a lot more volatility, and obviously the news is going to factor way more into the effect that you're going to have. Okay, so while trading demo accounts can be a useful tool for day traders, they can also give traders a false sense of confidence and lead to a failure on a live account. Now, trading with real money requires a completely different mindset and approach, and day traders, you guys need to be prepared for the challenges and risks that come with trading in the real world. So if you're any kind of a day trader, make sure to approach your demo account with a healthy dose of skepticism. And remember that day trading is completely a different game with a live account. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give me a like on the video if you enjoyed the content and subscribe to the channel, and we will see you in the next one. Hey guys, what's up? Just wanted to make a quick video. If you've ever thought about joining our mentoring program, this is the time to do it. We have decided to extend out the sale through December 31st. So you get a whole nother month to be able to get in on this masterclass at 50% off of the entire mentorship program. All right, this will never happen again. So this is the time. If you've always wanted to join the mentoring program, which is a lifetime membership, this would be the time. The links are in the video description, guys. I hope to see you in the mentoring program.